Hey busy parents, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your paycheck remains the same? Like your income is stuck on repeat and the only way to make more is to work more? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a better way. One where you don't have to keep trading time for money and you'll actually see real people just like you and me celebrating wins every day thanks to a proven system that is built for busy parents like us. See, I used to feel the same way. I felt like I was stuck in a cycle or a routine, and the more I wanted to provide for my families, I was working more hours while I was losing more time with my family. And I still remember that day I missed my daughter's field trip. I was so devastated. I couldn't excuse myself from work, and even while I was work, I was so worried, thinking what if something were to happen to her at her field trip and I wasn't there? And that got to me, and I knew I needed to start building something that is going to allow me to be there for my kids so that I don't leave another second worrying about what if. And yes, I went and tried a couple of things online that didn't work out for me until I discovered this online system. And I didn't jump in overnight. I questioned it. I was very skeptical because I wasn't used to it. And what hit me is that I started seeing real people just like you and me celebrating wins every day because they had a proven system. So if you're new to this, let me break it down for you. Number one, you need to understand what scalable income means. It's when you do the work once and the system keeps going. Number two, you'll also need to understand digital marketing. See, digital marketing is just a fancy word for marketing online. And with digital marketing, it's basically you're learning how to use tools where you can share your message or your story to help others with a proven system. And then that leads us to automation. Automation, it means your business runs even when you're not there. Even if you're on vacation or having family dinner, your business is still running because of the automated system. So think about the company that you work for. The owners are not there, but they are run by leaders, people with a system that they follow every day to lead that business successfully. And I know what you might be thinking. I'm not tacky. I am no leaders. I don't have a high following. I don't know anything about the online space. I felt the same way too. And that's why Legacy Program works. It's also built for beginners. Not only you get the support of a community, but you also get mentorship from people who really cares and want to see you have success online. See, just like Amelia over here, she celebrated her first win, and it was because she followed the proven system. But not only that, she not only celebrated her win, she was also celebrating how she's now able to change someone else's lives. We also have another dad, Dorian, who celebrated his first $900 sale while still at his part-time job. And this just a few from the 52,000 members that we have in our community. And if you want to see more testimonials, more witness, just go to the comment below. There's a link that you click there that's actually going to show you other people's wins just like you and me. So as you can see, you don't need to settle for burned out. You don't need to keep trading time for dollars. And if you've been praying for a way out, this could be it. See, this isn't just about chasing money. It's about buying back your time and being present for a moment that matters. And it all starts by saying yes to a smarter way. So if you are ready to say yes to yourself, say yes to being able to spend more quality time with your family, saying yes to the things that your family needs, go to the link below. Get the blueprints, check out for yourself how moms and dads are able to celebrate wins daily online. And as always, if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.